Join us here dito sa Ireland.
Welcome to Paris.
Hi, welcome to the many parts of our Paris tour for our holiday vacation. Here we're going to show you the Charles de Gaulle arrival area, down to exiting from the airport and getting our transport ticket.
Dito pala sa airport. Pagdating mo, so ito yung Paris airport, Charles de Gaulle. Nakuha na namin yung gamit namin, and then hindi naman mawawala dito kasi ang dami nag-a-assist kung saan ka pupunta and all. And ngayon sumakay kami sa airport shuttle train. Wala pang bayad ng ticket dito. We're going to terminal to get our ticket. And so dito na kami sa Terminal T, Rosie Home. Dito kami ngayon kukuha ng ticket. We just arrived from the airport shuttle train. Nakakatakot sumakay kasi akala ko may ticket doon, pero hindi pala. So eto na siya, yung Terminal 3. Wow, wide space. Dito kami ngayon pupunta sa may ticket service para kumuha ng ticket. I'm planning to get the Navigo 7-day yung weekly pass. Parang mas cheaper yun para sa amin. It's just like if you're living in Ireland, it's just like a leap card na 1 week unlimited use. So we got our 3 tickets. So kapag andito ka pala from the airport to get out, you need to pay 13 euro and then 2 euro for the card itself. So you're paying 15 euro per person. Okay? Next naman yung kukuha kami ng Navigo namin for the Paris tour around the city.
Aside from that Navigo Easy Pass, we're gonna look for the Navigo Weekly Pass for our whole stay during the vacation here in Paris. I find it more or much cheaper, and then you can also use that weekly pass for going back to airport without paying additional.
Dito pa ito. Dito kami bumaba sa Gare Du Nord. And ngayon, sasakay naman kami ng another train. So, looking for your transport ticket to Paris for unlimited. Ours kasi we just chose the 7-day pass. So, getting that one, you need to get that one from the right ticket route. So, from here, if this is your stopover in Gare Du Nord, see this one, the whole one, and escalator on this side. Use that going down to the next floor, and then you'll find the ticket booth there, and then you can ask for the Navigo ticket pass for a weekly pass, and that's the way.